What up though? It's your girl Coco and we're back with another video. Boom, hold on. As you can tell by the title below, we are doing the refrigerator Let's redo that. As you can tell by the title below, we are doing a refrigerator freezer organization video. You feel me? This is a part 2 of the last video that you guys saw. I just got home from work, so I look a little busted. But we're not gonna talk about that. We're just gonna get this organization done like we said we was gonna do. So I got these little bins from Amazon. Oh, I had a little brain fart. I will be putting it in a little description below. I'll put it down there. And then I will put the part 1, this video up here, you feel me? And yeah, let's just get right into it because we ain't got time. So yeah. First, I'm going to basically clean out the fridge. And then we're gonna go into the bin situation, organization, where we got put everything back into the fridge because I ain't got time for foolery. So yeah, y'all gonna see me clean out the fridge and then we're gonna put everything back just like the 50 million other videos that y'all see on here, but clearly y'all wanted to see mine, so here we are with it. All right, small refrigerator organization. Here we go. All right. So y'all, this is pretty much what we're working with. Sorry, I had the dishwasher running, so if y'all hear that in the background, that's what's going on. So this is basically what we're working with right now. And yeah, we just gonna get that on and popping together, cause yeah, what is that? What is that? What is that?
What is that?
Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, I pretty much took everything out of the refrigerator that I know. Basically, I just took everything out of the refrigerator. And now I'm about to put everything back in that doesn't have an expiration date. And then kind of figure out where I want to place things. And then I'm going to go through the bins, the organizing bins, and then put all the produce and stuff like that that needs to go in the bins in there. You feel me? So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And then I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Continue watching if you still watching, you feel me? So right now this is what it's looking like. This is all like just the regular sauces that I use. This is all the sea moss. These are just jars. Those are all the condiments I have. And then this is gonna be like juices, the juice bar area. This is basically what we got going on right now, is what's in the fridge. And then I already know that this is gonna be like, I don't know what I'm doing with this yet, so we're not even gonna look at that. We're gonna X that out right now. And then this, I think I have a container to put his yogurts in, so I may be able to use that for just fruit and not just vegetables. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do with that. And now I'm gonna put the stuff that I need to in containers and then organize it that way, if that makes sense. All right, y'all, so I'm pretty much done with the refrigerator. It's not exactly how I want it to be, but it's looking like something. It's giving very much Pinterest vibes. It's giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm about to show you guys what it's looking like, and then we're gonna head over to the freezer because Shawty is looking a mess. But now I know exactly what I need to get in my grocery store, you know what I'm saying, little run. So if y'all want to see me do another restock of the fridge now that it's organized, let me know. So here is the finished product of the refrigerator. And y'all, this is what my freezer is looking like. So yeah, let's just get into the cleaning process, period. Kind of what I came up with from my freezer. So this is all the meat. This is like French fries, potatoes, little snacks, ice creams, snacks. This is all breakfast, smoothies. This is like breakfast, snacks, and this is my like ice face thingy that I'll do a video on later. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished product of the freezer. Not too much. I do have to go grocery shopping, so this is just enough for me and ARLEEK. So. And I did use the last freezer drawer. It came with 3 of the narrow and the wide drawers. So I used the wide one here, another wide one there, and then another wide one there. So those are all 3, and then I used the narrow ones in the refrigerator. So yeah, that's all right, y'all. So that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy videos like this. I'm about to head into the shower and get ready for bed, baby, because your girl is tired. This video will be up tomorrow, so happy Friday. And if you guys want more videos like this, go ahead and comment down below. If you made it this far, thank you. You're a real OG. Go ahead, comment down below butterflies to confuse people in the comments. And yeah, peace. Wait, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.